My name is William Andres Manrique Linares. My identification, preparing technology negotiations. Definition of the how the project, the intellectual property, and the software. A piece of software can protect in Colombia through a copyright registration before the National Director of Copyright. It is not considered a parent since it is not something materialist, nor is it within the legal categories that can be registered through parents. In conclusions, a negotiation of technological assets that promote the competitiveness of innovative companies are very important. Bye bye.